You will need scissors, sellotape, craft knife, string, tissue paper, PVA glue, or similar water-based glue, glue brush, battery-powered LED light, and one or more clear plastic containers from your recycling. You can make your lantern from milk or juice bottles, dessert pots, fruit trays. Avoid using anything dirty or damaged, or containers from raw meat or strong chemicals. Make sure containers are clean and dry before you start. Let's get started. If you want a simple shape, just pick one container to decorate. You can make more complex forms by cutting up several containers and sticking them together. Use sellotape to attach them together and make sure they are secure. You can create any shape you like with a mix of stacked plastic 3D shapes. You can cut pieces of plastic to create a handle, for example like this piece of a plastic bottle. At this point, cut a little hatch for the light to go in, and holes to hang the lantern by. Take care when using a craft knife and ensure any children are supervised. Now we decorate the lantern with tissue paper and glue. This process is called decoupage. First, make a plan for your design. Simple ideas work best, like bold patterns, shapes, and flowers. Consider colors, patterns, or shapes that might represent an aspect of your own culture. Cut out any shapes you need before you start gluing. Add a little water to thin the glue. It should be just thick enough to form a coating when brushed onto the lantern. Apply glue first, then add the tissue paper in small pieces. Overlap the edges of the paper so it forms a strong skin. Brush a little more glue over each piece to help it stick. Remember to leave the hatch that you cut into your lantern and not glue it shut. When the glue is completely dry, you can attach the string. Carry your lantern from this, or add a stick to raise it higher. Now it's finally time to add the light and enjoy your glowing achievement. We can't wait to see you there on the 19th of November to light up the campus and celebrate our global community.